Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Device Manager as an administrator. This lets you change drivers safely. Once done, identify the device showing code 19 and note the driver version so you can restore if needed. Make a system restore point now to back up registry and driver state, because undoing registry edits is harder than reversing a restore. You're preparing a safe environment before you act. This minimizes risk and gives you a recovery option if anything goes wrong. Next, you'll repair the registry and reinstall the driver to clear the code 19 error. First, export the affected registry key so you can restore it. Then locate and remove upper filters and lower filters values only if they exist, because they often block drivers. After that, uninstall the device from Device Manager, and when necessary, check delete driver software for this device to force a clean reinstall. Once removed, reboot so Windows can redetect and reload the correct driver files. After rebooting, you should let Windows Update or the OEM installer place the correct driver. This often resolves code 19 by replacing corrupted files. If you still see the error, run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair protected system files and then reboot again. If reinstall and SFC fail, boot into safe mode and try the uninstall/reg install steps or use the system restore point you created earlier. This troubleshooting path recovers you without guessing and narrows down root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.